It's a little after 5 o'clock and the sun is just coming up. And listen to that rain come down. Here's the famous Creek Street. Welcome to Sailing Nordic Sun. In this episode, we start off in Goose Bay in British Columbia, Canada. Goose Bay is on Dundas Island. Dundas Island is the most northern island in British Columbia. We leave Goose Bay early in the morning, heading for Ketchikan. The sun's coming up just as we cross Dixon entrance. We get into Ketchikan in the early afternoon. If you enjoy this episode, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please remember to subscribe. Enjoy the video. Here we are. It's a little after 5 o'clock and the sun is just coming up. And we're heading across the Dixon entrance. We got about 20 miles to go to get over there. I don't know, you guys probably can't see it, but you can see the ocean swell coming in here as we have a little breeze here. So I think I'll roll out the head sail, give us a little extra speed. Here we are, roll the jib out now, and we're moving along at 8.5 knots. Here we are crossing the Canadian border right now. Wow, that's a long border. We are now officially back in the United States of America. But we still have to clear customs. Ketchikan's about 5 miles away. Here we are on a point just south of Ketchikan. Look at all the sport fishing boats over there fishing. Must be a good place to go fishing. They're fishing right along here off a mountain point. Now you can see Ketchikan up there. Looks like we got a couple cruise ships in there. At least one. Lots of cruise ships and shore excursions going on in Ketchikan. Here's a duck boat where the passengers snapped pictures of us as they went by. Well, we got a slip at Bar Harbor from the harbor master, and we're on dock 14 and we're waiting for the customs people. And listen to that rain come down. I swear it was nice earlier. Well, we're now officially cleared back into the United States. Now what do we do? I think we get a slip and then go uptown after it stops raining. Here we are, all checked in, and I'm heading up the dock. And mostly fishing boats and power boats in here. There's a few sailboats. Here I am, walking down the main drag, big town of Ketchikan. distance, you can see the cruise ships. Here I am in Ketchikan at the dock where all of the cruise ships come in. Here's one leaving the dock right now. Look at those bow thrusters working. As you can see, right behind that one that pulled out, there's two more. And when we were here earlier, there was another one. So they're probably pulling out one at a time. There are nothing but hills around here. They even got to build the roads with the tunnel. It goes right through them. Here's the main shopping. Interesting little town. That's where all the cruise ship people come. They must think I'm a tourist too. Clearly I am. You can tell this is the old part of town. Look at all the old buildings. Old architecture and whatnot. And then right next to that is the cruise ships. Lots of people in town today. They're probably just getting ready to pull out. Like I say, a couple already pulled out. Here's the famous Creek Street. I'm gonna go walk around it. Dolly's place. A place of prostitution. Look at that roaring thing. There's the fish ladder right down below us. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Sailing Nordic Sun.